Hey everyone, Dana Rubino here, Windows Central. We're at IFA 2019 and this is the Yoga C940, but this is the 15-inch model because now there's two versions. Today I'll show you what's new. Stay tuned. Alright, so here it is. This is the 15-inch model, so a few things have changed in the overall design. First of all, this sound bar and hinge has been redesigned. Previously, it had like a weird sort of separation going on here. Instead, now it is just a single bar. That is, of course, where the speakers are, and there's two more speakers on the bottom. That gives you a really, really impressive soundscape on this device. Taking a look at the display, you do get a 4K option with HDR. There's also a full HD version. Web camera is at top. You got that nice little bump there, so they have space for it while maintaining very thin bezels. You also get a little shutter privacy there. You can slide it over to block the camera itself. And being a yoga device, it is a touchscreen with inking support. In fact, that pen is built right into the chassis. That's one of the cool things about this laptop is it's all-in-one. It does everything. Speaking of all-in-one, you can get up to a Core i9 processor, which is really, really nice. That's 9th generation. This is one of the bigger processors out there. You also, though, get a GTX 1650 GPU, which is really impressive for a device that only weighs about 4.18 pounds or about 1.9 kilograms. Other than that, though, you get this really excellent keyboard, and check it out, a full numpad. Yes, I know people who love 15-inch laptops insist I'm having one of those, and you get that here, as well as a fingerprint reader, a nice precision touchpad. The rest of the stats are also very good. You can get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM or 16 gigabytes. It's up to you. Like I said, you get a Core i9 processor or up to 2 terabytes of storage as well. So this is one packed machine. It's very powerful, very slim. All right, taking a look at the ports here, you do get a bigger charger. Yeah, you're going to have to use that with that GPU as well, so that's why you're going to have a separate charger. You do get a USB Type-C. You get 2 of those actually, and you do get Thunderbolt 3 with those, power delivery, that whole thing, as well as a headphone jack. And on the other side here, you get the power button, another USB Type A, and there is the pen, which now actually operates a little bit differently. It just pulls out. There is no more spring mechanism there, so it just slides in out. Apparently people were breaking those. You know how that is, so it just slides out now, which is okay. It works fine, but that is an active pen, which is really great. All right, taking a closer look at the 14-inch version here. So this is my favorite laptop of last year, so I'm really excited to see this updated. Again, you get the new soundbar hinge design, which I think actually looks more symmetrical, looks a little bit better. You also get that siloed pen, which doesn't pop out anymore. It just kind of slides out and locks in, which is kind of cool. You do get the reverse notch design as well, which is really good with the web camera on top. And of course, you can slide that to block it, which is cool. For the display, you can get up to a 4K. Again, it's going to be an HDR display, so 4 or 500 nits. You can also get a full HD version with Dolby Vision at 400 nits, which should be also very good. You're talking 100% sRGB, so just an excellent display, and touch, of course, since it does have an active pen. Keyboard hasn't really changed much. You still get the full precision touchpad as well as a fingerprint reader. So there's no Windows Hello up here. It's just a fingerprint reader, but that should be okay. When it comes to the processor, up to 10th generation Intel Core i7, which should be very good. You can also get Intel UHD 960 for graphics, or a 950 in the i5 version. The weight is 2.97 pounds or 1.35 kilograms, and overall it's just a really nice update to last year's model. It's just a little bit better, a little bit more refined, and to be honest, that's all they needed to do with this. I think it's just an excellent design. Still one of my favorite all-in-one laptops that you can get if you don't need dedicated graphics. So there's a quick look at the Yoga C940. Both the 14 and 15-inch models should go on sale in October. Of course, we'll try to get our hands on them to review. Otherwise, though, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Did Lenovo nail this? I kind of think they did, but you tell me. Otherwise, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.